Nexo fundamentally is a coin that by and large is at present exchanged at $0.864531 per unit, with the market capitalization of $484,137,193, that essentially makes it a low-position digital currency, versus the thought. Computerized resources like Nexo in every practical sense have currently fundamentally turned into the point of convergence of consideration for retail financial backers and examiners. Yet additionally for sort of enormous institutional financial backers who explicitly see Nexo and the remainder of digital currencies as a sort of successful truly fence against expansion that takes a very weighty cost for the worldwide economy, or so they really thought. In this manner, having it sort of the most on a piece of the portfolio dedicated to crypto especially is basically an unquestionable necessity for any merchant and financial backer who truly needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Yet, with it really comes the need to intently truly follow the advancements on the expressed market to understand the all things considered, current circumstance, and have some feeling representing things to come. This Nexo cost expectation model basically was made to assist a peruser with exploring through the quickly developing crypto space, most certainly track down the actually the best coins or tokens to in every way that really matters, put resources into, and sort of keep the value bend filling in an unobtrusive manner. However, prior to diving into the overall Nexo examination and cost expectation, we might want to generally help you to remember the fundamental principles of digital currency exchanging and venture, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. So, how about we center around the Nexo market, its sort of current standings, as well as the mid-term and long-haul cost expectation that explicitly depends on the readings of our genuinely restrictive crypto instability file, CVIX. Right now, the cost of Nexo generally remains at $0.864531, and this specific computerized resource stands firm on the 72nd foothold in the worldwide digital currency positioning, which basically is genuinely huge. For really your data, the truly positioning of each and every cryptographic money basically is vigorously dependent on its truly current market capitalization and cost, and in a real sense is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most exceptional data on the resource being referred to, which all things considered is genuinely huge. Likewise, to in a real sense get in every way that really matters, better in every way that really matters, handle of the market circumstance and grasp the especially broad heading of the pattern, or to generally enroll its non-appearance, it means a lot to sort of dissect the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey. Yesterday, on December 9, the cost of Nexo really remained at $0.877122 at the end of the everyday exchanging meeting, which comprises a 1.18% distinction when contrasted with the exceptionally current cost 7 days prior. On December 3, the Nexo market truly remained at $0.784158 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. As the outcome, the cost basically moved by 0% corresponding to its essentially present standing. A month prior, on November 10, Nexo fundamentally was evaluated at $0.746915, which fundamentally matched with our cost expectation for that in every practical sense, specific period in an unobtrusive way. Contrasted with the sort of present place of Nexo, it addresses a 15.75% cost move, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. At the point when it truly comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves commonly more as a sign of the coin's offer or predominance, in contrast with the remainder of the market. Alongside its especially generally prevalence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers amazingly. Numerous digital currency merchants view market capitalization as a critical marker to basically be considered prior to going with exchanging choices, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. It for the most part is determined by duplicating the essentially all-out number of coins that are right now available for use, flowing inventory, by the ongoing cost of Nexo, which, as currently referenced, by and by fundamentally remains at $0.864531, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Considering that equation, we have determined the exceptionally current market capitalization of Nexo to in every practical sense, be it $484,137,193. Which legitimizes its place as the 72nd coin among these in every way that really matters, present on the cryptographic money market in a quite huge manner. Yesterday, on December 9, the market capitalization of Nexo explicitly remained at $491,188,328. Keep going week. On December 3, the exceptionally aggregate sum of truly capital dedicated to Nexo was laid out at $439,128,284. The information from a month prior, enlisted on November 10, especially shows that Nexo sort of had a market capitalization of $418,272,611 versus the truly thought. As its name proposes, sort of most extreme stockpile alludes to the roof measure of coins that will at any point especially be mined or stamped inside the certainly relating blockchain network, which is genuinely critical. When that sum truly is gotten, the framework generally stops the age of new coins for certainly great. The truly greatest stockpile by and large is normally generally shown in the source code of the fundamental convention, as well as the white paper. The commencement towards the by and large most extreme stockpile ordinarily explicitly begins with the development of the first, beginning, block on the blockchain in an unobtrusive way. In our example, Nexo sort of has a most extreme stock of 100,000,000 coins, which fundamentally is very huge. This specific element of a by and large certain coin can fundamentally be considered as a support against expansion in light of the fact that the foreordained issuance rate joined with the stockpile roof frequently delivers the coin deflationary once the truly most extreme stock especially is reached and makes a pre-modified shortage of a given resource, which makes the circumstances for a substantially more unsurprising and truly consistent cost appreciation in an unobtrusive manner. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that really have previously been mined, stamped, or generally made, and in a real sense, are either circling available or secured in engineers or alternately holders by and large cool wallets in a very huge manner. The sort of complete stockpile likewise considers any coins that certainly have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate in a significant manner. It very well may be contrasted with the quantity of remarkable portions of an organization that generally is public on the securities exchange. The by and large all-out supply of Nexo at present certainly remains at 100,000,000 Nexo, or so they generally thought. As currently made sense of, the flowing stockpile truly is the most normally involved truly metric for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to, which sort of shows that contrasted with the by and large present place of Nexo. It addresses a 15.75% cost move, or so they in a real sense thought. It relates with the barely the best guess of the kind of and general number of coins that are public on cryptographic money trades and for the most part, add to their liquidity in a genuinely huge manner. Their volume doesn't by and large incorporate the coins that basically are vested, marked in extremely shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or sort of placed unavailable for general use in an unpretentious manner. The flowing stockpile sort of is essentially what might be compared to the drifting stockpile of offers in the financial exchange, which explicitly is genuinely critical. At the present time, the circling supply of Nexo fundamentally is assessed at 560,000,011 Nexo. Over the in every way